Welcome to Gas Ed. Today, we will be discussing how Claude Code's new Agentic OS makes coding 10 times more powerful. So in this explainer, we're diving into some seriously groundbreaking capabilities. We're talking about taking tools like Claude Code from being just, simple chat assistants and turning them into a comprehensive, self-improving development operating system. Whether you're a business owner, a developer, or really just someone looking to scale your output efficiently, you've got to understand this shift. We are officially moving from single isolated commands to systems that actually manage your entire project lifecycle. To get you fully up to speed, we've got a really clear roadmap for today. We're going to cover 1. The agentic shift, 2. The multi-week pivot, 3. The human-AI handshake, and finally 4. Mission execution. Let's dive right into our first crucial concept. Section 1, the agentic shift, or moving beyond prompts. To really wrap our heads around an agentic OS, we have to look at a brand new baseline unit of execution. We're talking about goals that actually survive across turns. So instead of just a one-off request, you're initiating an ongoing rapport with the system until a defined outcome is completely achieved. At the very heart of this is the /goal command. This is basically an objective that the AI pursues in a continuous loop until specific criteria are met. Using capable options like Claude Code or Hermes, for example, this command kicks off a persistent auto loop. Think of it like a three-part machine. You've got a worker generating the output, a judge evaluating if it meets your criteria, and a loop that keeps them talking until the problem is actually solved. It's relentless execution right on your behalf. But there's a pretty massive caveat here. If you put garbage in, you're gonna get garbage out. For these goals to actually be effective and avoid those, infamous AI hallucinations or infinite loops of junk code, they absolutely must follow 3 foundational rules. They've got to be measurable, scoped appropriately, and self-served. Meaning the AI actually has the tool set, like web scraping or file access, to finish the task totally independently. So a bad goal would be something super vague like build a SaaS. The system is going to instantly lose its way. Conversely, a really good goal is build a sign-up form. A properly scoped goal has to be quantifiably measurable and realistically achievable by the AI within about 20 conversational turns. You literally have to give the AI a clear, definitive finish line so it knows exactly when to stop the loop and hand over the result. Now, you might be wondering, what about multi-week projects? This right here is a massive friction point in current AI workflows. Short-term goals are fantastic for isolated technical tasks, for sure, but they fail completely on huge, ambitious projects because the scope is just way too small for human reality. I mean, you can't execute a massive business launch in just 20 chat turns. And that leads us directly into Section 2, the multi-week pivot, or scaling up to midterm missions. To actually achieve a major binary deliverable, like say launching an educational course to 500 new signups in exactly 4 weeks, we need way more than just a chat window. We need an agentic OS architecture. So how does the OS handle a mission of this size? Well, it interrogates you. Instead of just guessing and building the wrong thing, the OS asks vital, clarificatory questions up front to map its strategy directly to your real-world business constraints. It wants to know your exact course topic, your hard deadlines, what assets already exist, the exact size of your warm audience, and what connected platforms it has access to. It's building a strategy based on your actual business reality, not just some generic AI assumptions. Which brings us to arguably the most vital concept in this entire framework. Section 3, the human-AI handshake, or blending realities. Meaningful midterm goals require breaking down a massive mission into distinct roles. This highlights the AI not as an autonomous replacement for you, but really as a hyper-competent coworker. If you want to achieve anything of real significance, you can't outsource 100% of it to an agent. You've got to divide and conquer. So let's look at how that division of labor actually works. First up, we have the AI technical sprints. Here, the AI handles the highly managed, data-heavy technical tasks. It's iteratively working in the background to build things like opt-in engines, scraping the web for competitor research, scoping out market demand, and executing complex code. Basically, it acts as your tireless back-end engineering team, just churning through the ones and zeros while you sleep. But this is immediately paired with the handshake. On the other side, we have human, real-world actions. These are the physical things that only you can do. Think timeboxing 90 minutes to record charismatic promotional videos, or actually jumping on a call to build a high-level partnership. The system will literally tag you in, acting like your project manager, telling you exactly what human element is required next to keep the whole project moving forward. Now, to keep this all from just descending into absolute chaos, we need structure. Welcome to Section 4, Mission Execution and Tracking the System. All of this gets orchestrated through a centralized mission-controlled dashboard. As your project progresses, the AI drops highly optimized subprompts for each task phase. Let's see how this builds across a real calendar. The OS sequences these multi-week deliverables, perfectly passing the baton between your real-world actions and its agentic loops. In week 1, the AI shapes the course promise through research. In week 2, it builds the opt-in engine code. By week 3, it tags you in to record the promo videos based on its scripts. And finally, in week 4, you launch together and track the signups. It is just a seamless dance of productivity. And the system is incredibly dynamic. Let's look at a concrete example. Say your business has 1.5 million views. By supplying the OS with that real, unique context during that initial questioning phase, like telling it you currently generate 1.5 million monthly organic views, it dynamically adjusts the entire master plan. So instead of building a super complex paid ads funnel, it realizes your organic reach is your superpower, and it immediately optimizes the project to leverage that organic growth. That level of strategic pivoting is exactly what makes an agentic OS so incredibly powerful. Ultimately, the crucial takeaway is this. It's that harmony between the human and the agent that will actually drive all the value. We are not looking to completely remove ourselves from the business building process. Pairing your unique physical effort, your creativity, and your face-to-face relationship building with the raw, relentless processing power of AI, that is the true secret to scaling your output tenfold. The era of simply chatting with AI is officially over. It is time to start treating it as a comprehensive operating system that manages your technical sprints while empowering your real-world actions. Start building those multi-week AI workflows today. Ask yourself, what massive project have you been putting off that an agentic OS could literally start building for you tonight? That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.